Hello friends, this is Anuja Joshi and today I am giving introduction on patent. From this video, you will able to understand what is a patent, its features, criteria as well as types. Now let's start. In features, you will find below point as IPR. IPR form that is a patent. Okay, so apart from patent, we have understand other forms of IPR also in my previous video. If you have don't know about the which are the forms of IPR are apart from patent, you can check with that with my previous video. Now patent, this word is a derived from Latin word that is patere, which means to open. That is, your invention should have a legal existence when you shown to public. So it is a personal property. Okay. Thus, the inventor can sell or take a control on his or her invention. For personal property purpose, it shows the time duration. So time duration factor also one of the important factor. Okay, but it varies. For the plant patent system it has a 20 years. Okay, for the design patent system it has a 14 years. Okay, so it is a important factor of the patent. From this aspect, okay, from this aspect, a patentee can earn a profit from their invention also. So from their invention it get benefit, commercial benefits from the invention, because the patentee has an exclusive right, okay, to use, to sell. He can do with his or her invention whatever he can do with it. Now we have understood the features, but you should know the meaning of patentee, inventor, and invention. These three terminologies are interconnected with each other. How? Patentee means patent holder. Inventor, who invent new things. Okay, who develops new things, who produces or creates new things. That is the inventor. And invention means new product, new discoveries. That is a invention. So inventor is a patent, maybe patentee, okay, and inventor develops a new things, and these new things is called a invention. So these three terminologies are interconnected with each other. In next part we have to learn the criteria. Okay, for the issuing or granting a patent, okay, uh, the inventor should have to file an application to the patent office. Okay, uh, after and all, after filing an application to the patent office, your invention should have to follow three criteria, which are novelty, inventiveness, and usefulness. Okay, novelty means the your product should be new. Okay, it should not be publicly discloses. Okay, before before getting an exclusive right. Okay, so it should be new to the public knowledge. Next is the inventiveness. Okay, it should be non-obvious, means it is an invention and not merely discovery. It is a non-obvious to one skilled in the field. The non-obvious requirement refer to the level of difficulty required to invent the technologies. If an invention is so obvious means common, okay, that anyone having an ordinary skill would have through of it, then it does not meet the requirement. So your invention should be non-obvious, that is it should not be obvious, okay, it should not be common, so it should be unique, then it will fulfill the criteria. Second, that is the inventiveness. Next is the usefulness. It should be you should have a utility for the society or to the common people. Otherwise, if your invention if don't have any kind of use to the society, then it will not fulfill the criteria. Third, that is the usefulness. If your invention fulfilled three criteria, then you will get a patent, that is the exclusive right for your invention. Next is a types. Okay, there are generally three types: plant patent, design patent, utility patent, or regular patent. Okay, in India we don't have a plant patent system, but US has plant patent system. Okay, rather plant patent system, in India we have a plant breeder right system. Okay, through that we can get right to newly developed varieties. So plant patent system are granted. This is granted for a newly developed vegetatively propagated plants, and it has a 20 years of duration. In design patent, which protects the ornamental characteristics, okay, and the lifespan of design patent is of 14 years. Examples: the toys, industrial designs, okay, where the utility patent is the most common patent used by the universities and companies to protect the results of research and development. In USA and the most of the country, it has a 20 years of a duration. And the most biological or biotechnological inventions are filed as a utility patent, not as a plant patent. Why? As a utility patent, it is possible to protect the plant genes, okay, than just the plant, okay, whole plant they do not patent, because we can protect many genes, okay, not a plant, so it will come under the utility patent. And through that we can protect disease resistance gene, herbicide resistant genes, okay. uh, so utility patent is very important and very common. So the purpose of a patent is to produce the progress of a science and useful arts. The patent law promotes this progress by giving the inventor the right of exclusion. In exchange for this right to exclude others, the inventor must disclose all the details describing the invention, so that when the patent period expires, the public may have the opportunity to develop and profit from the use of invention. So I hope we have a clear features, what is a patent, criteria, as well as types. So thanks for watching. Do comment,